Wait, what do you mean, Iceman? Mango ran out of the mangoes today. What? Mangoes is ran out? Why? I don't understand. What do you say? What did you say? I mean, what did you say? Mango ran out of mangoes today. I'm going to nosebleed because of you, Aismana. You are very, very maritas. Getting me, getting